Welcome back, everybody, to episode 4. Let's see where the fuck we're gonna head to. Nope, I don't like that. Didn't like that facial feature. Alright. I think this is kind of where we left off in the last episode. The fuck is this shit?
Holy cow. Now, Ash, I don't want to freak you out, but look at this.
What? Chris, what is that?
I think this might be what the spirit board wanted us to find.
The clue?
Yeah, it's a letter.
Let me see it.
It's a threat.
Chris, this is serious. We need to find Josh right now.
Time to fucking explore. Let's see what this episode brings us. Thanks for everybody watching the other ones, giving me your likes and your comments. I appreciate it. Hope you've had a pretty awesome fucking week. And yeah, let's fucking get into this. Let's get some spooks on. That's fucking terrifying.
What was that?
Definitely not ghost. It was a cat. Totally a cat.
Do you think someone was actually after Hannah and Beth?
If so, that would be really messed up.
What are you doing?
Gotta love when you throw in a 360. It's necessary. What's in this piece of paper? Words. Words and shit. Ooh. Oh shit.
Looks like it was written by Josh's mom.
Sure was.
Yeah, she's really making an effort to set things right with
The
some
fuck?
native tribe or something.
Yep, the bad karma goes back a long way.
To be honest, we should be in the basement looking for shit, but we'll explore up here for now.
So, I've just been thinking about something I saw earlier with Sam.
What?
There was like this wanted poster, like full-on Western style, you know?
So?
And Sam really thought there was someone following her around.
So what you're saying, there's some criminal up on the mountain with us?
I mean, maybe that's whoever was down in the basement before.
What?
Under the floorboards in the library, the light. Well, there was that guy I told you about.
Wait, what guy?
The guy who threatened the Washingtons. I mean, he said he wanted to take revenge by burning the whole place down. And then I found that crazy psycho letter.
Chris, if this is your way of trying to make me feel better, you're fired.
Yeah, that's terrifying.
Hear
I'm
that?
out.
That was Josh!
Coming from the kitchen.
Josh!
Josh! Coming! Hold on! Ashley! Ashley, what's going on? Let me in! Ashley! You,
Oh man, here we go. And
gonna...
oh shit. Why do people just keep getting pulled away like it's nothing? People weigh like fucking paper.
Ash!
Oh shit! the fuck? Who's this guy? This must be the weirdo. Enter weirdo. Well, what a fucking chapter that was. This freaking motherfucker.
I'm going to show you some pictures of people that you have come to know.
I don't want to see it.
But maybe you don't like them as much as you pretend to. Well, this is an exercise in honesty. Tell me which person from each pair you like the most. Take your time. Your answers are important.
I will do my best to be as honest as possible with these here questions. Huh.
Tell me, in this little game you're playing so diligently, who is it that you most dislike?
Well, let me think about this real quick.
Full of surprises. I think I'm beginning to understand you far better now. Oh, I'm afraid. Once again, we're out of time. Don't be too hard on Joshua. He's been through.
These are the quickest therapy sessions in the world.
You know that already, don't you?
This man throwing shade. Recap time!
There is one individual we're considering as a person of interest. He has an interesting history with the Washington family. Apparently, he had warned them against pursuing their construction project in Blackwood Pines and claimed the land was sacred to his forefathers.
S.
I...
S. T.
Sister?
Ask it whose sister.
Josh, it's gotta be...
Which sister is it then?
Run! Oh my god.
Yes. Hey. Huh?
Oh, chapter 4. Yeah, that bitch got yanked out the fucking window, son.
Jessica! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jess! Jess!
Oh shit, fucking timing. Gotta time it right. Solid performance.
Jessica!
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 Time to put my Call of Duty skills to work. What is she doing on the fucking ground?
No!
Zoom out. You're the worst sniper. Jump down, bro. I totally missed that. On purpose. I missed that on purpose. It's gold. See? That one I did on purpose. Come on, Ninja Warrior 2012. Very good. Look at him go. How the fuck did she get dragged all the way over here and not die? I'm impressed.
Jessica, I'm coming! Jessica!
Ooh, puppy! We got a vision of a dog. Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
You
Can
no.
I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Jessica!
Help me! Oh no! Michael!
Jess! No! Oh, God! No, Jessica!
Bro, she's not dead. There ain't no goddamn way she died. Is she dead?
Jess!
Pick her up.
Jess!
Give her a
are
Red
you
Bull.
okay?
Bitch, get up, bitch! Help! Bitch! Should I help her? I'll think about it. Oh, okay. Well, that's not good to think. Holy God, Jesus fuck! Yeah, she dead.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. You should go home. I would go home. You gonna shoot in the fucking air? Oh my God, what the fuck is that? Got him! Bitch. Time to do some monkey climbing.
Okay.
I almost missed that shit. Oh, fuck. Yep. Good thing I've got reaction timing with me eyeballs, mate. You fucking eyeballs. Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog?
Shit. There he is. What the? Come on.
Ah, you fucking loser. Go get him, brother. Run!
I just gotta make it.
Run, Forrest, run! What's that Resident Evil fucking timing? Look at that shit. Whoa. Split in a sail! Oh, hell! The greatest test of them all. Can I flick the lantern? I put the lantern in the lantern. We have fire.
Jesus. What the fuck is that place?
Well, I don't think that was part of the camp.
What the?
And back to these folks.
Oh no. Ashley! Oh.
Alrighty, time to look for this woman.
Ash.
I didn't spend half this
Ash.
game looking for women. The hell's wrong with this game? That's disgusting. There's a bloody wallet.
Not good.
Yeah, no, it's gross.
Not good at all.
You're damn right.
Okay.
Why didn't I reach in the purse and take the money? Why was that not an option? I know we've explored this cabin like a million times, but like I just can't help but explore. You just got to, man. There could be something new. Could be something I missed. What
The fuck? Oh shit.
Who the fuck is
No.
gonna clean that up? Not me. I'm here to party. No wonder it's so cold.
Ash!
Motherfuckers got the doors open. And we're outside.
Ashley! Ashley? Anyone out there? Ashley? What in the hell?
That was a fucked up pop-up scare. I gotta go change my shorts.
Who would do this?
Yeah, what the fuck? Alright, let's see what this is. I might. Floating feet. I don't really know what to do with that information. So let's explore.
Oh shit.
This shit is straight out of Jigsaw. That's fucking disgusting. Can I pick it up? Right, let's see,
Ash!
this road leads me to a whole bunch of fucking crows, man, and Tachis everywhere.
Ash! 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 Ashley? Ash? Ashley!
These scary ass camera angles.
Ash, I'm here. God damn it.
Damn, that scared the shit out of me.
Help me!
I'm
Where
coming,
is
Ash.
she?
Just,
I don't understand.
Keep talking to me. What happened?
Where did you go?
Tie me up. I can't move.
Why
Ashley,
not?
I'm gonna get you out of this. Don't worry.
I'm really scared, Chris. Chris, are you there?
Hello?
And thank you all for joining me.
Wake up!
Tonight,
What?
we're going to conduct a little experiment, sort of test. Now for this experiment, we'll need the cooperation of our 2 test subjects, Joshua and Ashley.
Oh my God.
But we're going to need one more brave participant to help decide which subject will live and which will die.
I am not qualified to make these kinds of decisions.
Please, everyone calm down. It's all very simple.
Fuck.
Christopher, you will find a lever placed directly in front of you. All you have to do is choose who you will save.
Oh shit, this is crazy.
Please, this can't be happening.
Shit, no!
Oh, right!
Okay, this is gonna be okay.
I'm not really gonna have to
buddy,
pick.
let's just think about this for a minute.
You can't let me die!
Just give me a second. I can't think straight. Just
Huh?
Bro, I need a joint. Oh my god, this decision. Fuck. What if... Oh.
Ashley, I'll get you out of this. I won't let you die.
Yeah, I gotta save the woman.
Thank
Please,
you.
no.
That's crazy. This man's about to die and his sister's died.
This is
These are
insane.
horrible
This
friends.
isn't happening. Chris, please tell me this isn't happening.
I don't know what to do.
Bro, we've been through so much. Come on, I don't want to go out like this.
Chris, please. I'm
I know
so
we haven't
scared.
been the
Please don't let
friends,
him
baby.
kill us.
And I've been...
I see. You have chosen to save me, Ashley.
No, Chris!
No.
Holy shit.
Man, I thought we were friends!
Sorry.
Why would you do this? Oh, God, what did I do? Ah!
Do this, please.
Anytime you get cinematography for this.
No, Dad, don't look at
Why
you. Don't look.
can't I look? Chris, please tell me he's
Holy
okay.
shit.
Please.
I'm coming, Ash. I'm gonna get you. I'm letting you down. Shh, stop, please. Come on. Let's get you down. Come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
No!
You gotta go, okay? Chris,
What the fuck? That was wild.
Ashley.
Well, there's some trauma bonding for your ass. God damn.
What? Whose butt is that, Ash?
Are you okay?
Chris, what happened?
Josh, what, dude? He's dead. Wait, right in front of us, man.
What are you talking
There's
about?
a maniac. Maniac?
Oh my god, we gotta get out of here.
I don't understand what happened. There's a maniac, and there was a saw, and it was either him or Ash, and I don't know what to do. It come right through, man, spilling out fucking everywhere.
What? Oh my god, Chris, what?
And I killed him. What, Chris? I killed him. It was my fault, man.
No, this is insane. We need to go get some help.
It cut right in half.
We're gonna figure this out.
Matt, we need to go get help now.
And we should look for the others.
Mike and Jess are off 69
is
each other.
nuts.
Who knows where Sam
I
is?
think she's in the lodge.
This
Fine.
bitch. I still hate that
Fine,
bitch.
you're right. Get everyone else together, but if there's a maniac running around, I think we need to get some help too, right? Not just wait around.
But what about...
Why are we still talking about this? Let's go!
This creepy motherfucker, bro. This office gets more and more scary. I don't want to be
Hello
here.
again.
I don't want to say hi.
Things are getting pretty tense up there, aren't
Things are getting fucking hairy.
they? Is the night going the way you hoped it would?
I'm not really sure how to respond.
I see. And you think that these poor people are getting what they deserve? trying to help you.
I don't like this kind of help.
This game you're playing. You understand that it's not good for you. It's not good for anyone. And I can't say that you're being particularly honest in the way you're playing. Do you intend to continue with this elaborate self-indulgence? Do you even believe that I am real?
Hold on, this motherfucker's not real? Oh shit.
The heart of the problem, it all comes down to this. Can you really tell the difference anymore? I doubt it.
Recap time!
What the hell's that?
That could be a lot of things. None of them nice.
Quit it.
Here's our one-way ticket to the spirit realm.
I've just been through enough spooking for one night, okay? I see a hot bath in my crystal ball. So have fun.
Oh, we can do this! Jessica! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shit!
There is one individual we're considering as a person of interest, but his whereabouts are currently unknown.
You know, there is still the old sanatorium on the mountain. Could he be hiding there?
Oh my god, here we go, episode 5. This man is going to like fucking Auschwitz. What in the hell? Ooh! Don't pet that dog. Don't pet them dogs. All kinds of dogs.
Oh, no. I'm just gonna step on it. Never mind. I lied.
Oh. That's different.
That man is having one hell of a party. He's like, whoa! Oh, Itachi. I see you. Oh, fuck. Lots of Itachis. I can't tell if that was a bone or a piece of metal. I like the white and black dogs. That's lit. It's yin and yang shit. Need to figure out what the hell. If there's anything I can see. Nah. Well, time to explore. There's creepy ass noises, bro. Fucking floors are talking to me. 360. Doing a little zigzag action there. It's pretty lit. Dodging snipers. Dude, the wind in the game, like if you're playing with headphones, is like fucking aggressive. That shit is in my ear, howling at me like fucking Scooby-Doo. What's this, mate? It's a fucking camera, mate. He's broken, huh? I found me a clue. Scooby-Doo. Did I just do a quick 360? I'm not sure which way I'm gonna go. I'm gonna roll a dice. Maybe hit a nat 20. Let's see which way I'm gonna go. It was a right. That rat was creepy. These hot Cheetos are delicious. The fuck does it say? Medical notes. Nicholas Henry something. Fucking cool. All right. I just want to make it clear, like, this man still doesn't have a jacket on. I'll be freezing my balls off. My junk on the floor. The hell? I taught you? Give me that freaking machete. I bet you won't. Give it. Bring it here.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. What? Grab it. Use telekinesis, Bobby. There you go. That's a good one. You're gonna keep that on you here now. They brought my dog back. I'm gonna pet that dog. My skeleton is intense. Look at my face. Yeah, there's nothing good about this. Not even a little bit. It's like, hey man, do you need a hand? That's fucking disturbing. Should I do something about it? Should I?
Whoa. Is this what he was feeding them?
Alright, I'm gonna try and grab it. Oh, fucking Jesus Christ. What in the fuck, bro? Man, I should not have touched it. There's a lot of things happening. Oh my god, no way. Is this an option? Oh my god, bro. Try and open that bitch, yeah. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I can do that shit again. There's a monster coming. We gotta fucking go, Doug.
Oh shit. 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 Oh shit.
You got it. Amping yourself up. Oh my god. Just hurry. What the fuck? Bruh. Fuck. I'm trying to contain myself and not screaming into the microphone. I'm so glad there was a fucking med kit there. Didn't know that. Butterfly effect. Dude, you're fucking lit.
Tiny. Oh.
I got no jacket, cut his fingers off.
So iffy.
Singing nursery rhymes.
Oh, I don't know what the fuck to go. Okay.
Damn, I should have left that alone. That was crazy as fuck. Fuck, that was nuts. I guess I gotta keep exploring, but goddamn. Ah, damn. I seriously need a breather. That was nuts. Do you hear the click clanking? These poor fucking kids, dog. They got me controlling their universe. God damn. I don't wanna. I genuinely don't wanna. Oh my god. Jesus. Was this the person that was the hand, maybe? Attacked by inmate. Huh. Let's see what's in door number 2. Okay, we're safe. It's just paper. The cloak? A shirt? I don't know. Brady discovered 6 to 8 hours after death. Smith Sarah. Oh shit. That's the sister, I think. One of them. Door number 3. Oh, what could it be? It's a fucking zombie, just for you and me.
Oh, fucking sick.
That's fucking epic. Oh, that's raunchy. You gotta love it. Oh my Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. That was scary. Is that a time? Is that a punching card? I'm fucking dead.
Okay, let's check this out.
I'm gonna look at her again. Or her, it, whatever this thing is. Zombie. Zombie-bitch. Can I push it back inside? Like, no, is that not an option? Okay, because I don't want it hanging outside. It's fucking creepy. Look at it. It's gross. Ooh, shiny. Is that oh.
This place just gets better and better.
Yep, that's gross. Strange skull. Sweet.
What's up, Chatterbox? Hanging out? Me too.
I wasn't expecting a second dialogue. That's lit. Alright, let's see what's with this door. Aha. For I have the way. Now it is open. Let us go, my brother. Into the nether. Not gonna lie, that scared the fuck out of me. I shook. I didn't scream, but I shook the fuck out of myself. God damn, why is the dog after me? I thought we were friends, man. Okay. Fuck. For real. Oh my lord. Okay, now we're here. These people. I remember them. Okay, time to explore. Man, what the hell happened to this dude? Just got chased by a dog and we'll never know? The fuck? And this game's intense. The hell is this? I've seen it before. Okay, cool. Let's keep moving. Is it me or are they just both looking in my direction? That's creepy as fuck. The fuck was that? It's a map. It's a map, compa. It's a nice map. I like this map, bro. It's a nice message all over the wall. Die. Die, 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 die.
Great. No keys, no cable car.
Motherfucker.
Back to square one.
What about the fire tower